Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2025. These little cleaning superheroes are smarter, faster, and better than ever. Whether you got a busy home, pets, or just hate vacuuming, one of these could be your new best friend. And of course, I've got links down below in the description for you to grab yours today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech videos. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the Dream X50 Ultra Complete. Whether it's stubborn dust, tangled hair, or crumbs in hard-to-reach corners, the X50 Ultra takes on the challenge and wins. Every single time. Thanks to its robotic retractable legs, this advanced cleaner easily crosses thresholds and obstacles up to 2.36 inches high without slowing down. Shock absorbers ensure smooth, quiet operation, while the VersaLift navigation system lowers its height to just 3.5 inches, allowing it to slip under sofas, beds, and tight spaces effortlessly. The AI camera with LED guidance keeps navigation sharp, avoiding obstacles with pinpoint accuracy. The innovative Duo Brush system tackles hair tangles head-on, managing strands up to 11.8 inches long. Its specialized air duct design flings and suctions hair directly into the dustbin, keeping your floors spotless without clogging or noise. Armed with 20,000 pascals Vormax suction and the 6th-generation TurboForce motor, the X50 Ultra picks up everything from pet hair to cat litter in one pass. Its fluid dynamic design keeps noise levels low, so you enjoy a thorough clean without disruption. Forget about missed corners. The X50 Ultra extends both brush and mop to reach deep into edges and low areas. The redesigned brush minimizes hair tangling, making corner cleaning more effective than ever. With 5 tailored cleaning modes, you can protect your carpets while ensuring hard floors shine. From removing mops to avoiding carpeted areas and boosting suction, you have full control over every clean. At number 4, meet the Roborock Saros 10R. At just 3.14 inches thin, this sleek robot glides effortlessly under beds, sofas, and cabinets, reaching dust and dirt where others can't. Powered by the Starsight Autonomous System 2.0, it offers advanced 3D sensing, precise mapping, and unmatched obstacle avoidance, even navigating tricky cords and irregular furniture with ease. Armed with 22,000 pascals hyperforce suction, the Saros 10R delivers deep cleaning across hardwood, tile, and carpet. Its zero-tangling duo-divide main brush and flexi-arm riser side brush keep hair from wrapping, while omnidirectional wheels prevent buildup, making maintenance effortless. The flexi-arm system automatically extends brushes and mop heads to reach deep into corners and along edges. Paired with its smart edge detection, it ensures no blind spots and leaves every inch of your floor spotless. The AdaptiLift chassis conquers obstacles up to 4 centimeters, from thresholds to furniture legs. On detecting carpets, the dual spinning mops lift automatically, protecting long pile rugs from moisture. During docking, brushes lift to prevent dirt transfer, ensuring a clean finish every time. Enjoy a truly hands-off experience with 10-in-1 cleaning capabilities, 176 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop washing, 131 degrees Fahrenheit hot air drying, 60-day dust collection, auto water refilling, detergent dispensing, and dock self-cleaning. Quick 2.5-hour charging keeps it ready, while auto rewash and remop modes tackle stubborn dirt. With the built-in Hello Rocky voice assistant, you can start cleaning without internet. The Roborock app allows custom schedules, map management, and even pet interaction via the RGB camera. Use two-way video calls, pet search, and photo capture to stay connected to your furry friends anywhere. Sliding into number 3 is the Ecovacs X9 Pro Omni. This one is for people who want the ultimate hands-off cleaning experience. With powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and advanced mopping technology, it keeps your floors spotless while you relax. Most robot mops only wash their pads every 10 to 20 minutes, spreading dirty water across your floors. The X9 Pro changes the game with its OZMO Roller Instant Self-Washing Mopping System. It cleans the mop in real time while mopping, ensuring no streaks, no odors, and no dirty water residue. Only a fresh, flawless clean. With 16,600 pascals blast airflow suction, boosted by 38% more airflow, the X9 Pro removes dirt, pet hair, and debris from deep within carpets, delivering 137.6% better cleaning performance. Whether on tile, hardwood, or thick rugs, it leaves nothing behind. Hair tangles are a thing of the past. The V-shaped roller brush and anti-tangle side brushes prevent buildup, making it perfect for homes with pets or long hair. No more stopping to cut tangled strands. The triple lift system automatically lifts the mop on carpets, raises the side brush for larger debris, and lifts the main brush to avoid contamination from wet messes. It transitions between floor types effortlessly without manual intervention. The extended OZMO roller and side brush reach deep into corners, edges, and gaps, ensuring 100% cleaning coverage. No missed spots. The all-in-one Omni Station handles mop washing with hot water, drying, solution dispensing, and auto-refilling. Runner-up on our list is the Roborock S8 Max V Ultra. This one is an absolute beast with dual brushes, hyper-intelligent navigation, and top-tier suction. Experience a new level of convenience and performance with the Roborock S8 Max V Ultra, the ultimate all-in-one cleaning system designed for spotless floors, minimal maintenance, and total hands-free operation. The S8 Max V Ultra goes beyond basic cleaning with its self-emptying dustbin, hot water mop washing, and hot air drying. Thanks to intelligent dirt detection, it automatically re-washes mops until perfectly clean and remops any dirty areas it detects. With self-refilling, detergent dispensing, fast charging, and off-peak charging, this system delivers a worry-free cleaning experience. No daily upkeep required. Featuring FlexiArm design side brush technology, the S8 Max V Ultra extends its reach to remove debris from the tightest corners. The liftable extra edge mop gets within 1.68 millimeters of walls and edges, spinning at 185 RPM for thorough, detailed cleaning other robots can't match. Equipped with dual vibration modules, the Viberize 3.0 sonic mopping system scrubs at an incredible 4,000 times per minute, breaking down dirt, grime, and stubborn stains with ease. When carpets are detected, the mop lifts up to 20 millimeters, allowing simultaneous vacuuming and mopping without leaving moisture behind. The bundled official Roborock floor cleaning solution penetrates deep to remove dust, sticky spills, and built-up grime. Safe and effective on hardwood, vinyl, ceramic tile, laminate, and more, it ensures your floors not only look clean, but feel fresh underfoot. With its combination of cutting-edge robotics, intelligent automation, and powerful scrubbing technology, the Roborock S8 Max V Ultra delivers a truly hands-free, professional-level clean for every type of floor in your home. And finally, our number one pick, the Roborock Crivo Cove. This isn't just the best robot vacuum of 2025, it's a cleaning revolution. From pet hair to deep carpet dust, it tackles every mess with cutting-edge technology and a sleek, intelligent design. Equipped with the Duo Divide main brush and FlexiArm Arc side brush, the Crivo Cove makes hair tangles a thing of the past. Perfect for homes with pets or long hair, this advanced brush system eliminates constant maintenance, leaving you with more time to enjoy your clean floors. No more worrying about bumps and thresholds. The AdaptiLift chassis automatically adjusts to different floor types, conquering obstacles up to 4 centimeters high. From plush carpets to hardwood floors, the Crivo Cove delivers consistent, efficient cleaning across your entire home. Its Hyperforce system pulls in dust, debris, and pet hair with relentless suction power. The Duo Divide main brush directs dirt straight into the dust bin, removing debris from carpet fibers and floor gaps with precision. The FlexiArm Arc side brush extends to clean walls, corners, and edges. Paired with the edge mopping system, it ensures every inch, even the hardest to reach spots, is spotless. Enjoy 167 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop washing, warm air drying, intelligent dirt detection, and up to 7 weeks of auto dust emptying. The dock also auto refills water, cleans itself, and features a detachable base for easy maintenance. With reactive AI, RGB cameras, and structured light, the Crivo Ka recognizes and avoids 62 types of obstacles. Precise Sense LiDAR mapping ensures the fastest, most efficient cleaning routes. And there you have it, the top 5 robot vacuums of 2025. Which one would you take home? Let me know in the comments below. Links to all the models are in the description so you can check the latest prices and deals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our future tech roundups. Until next time, keep it clean and shiny.